and welcome to Python graphical tutorial. In this tutorial I'm just going to demonstrate how to put up a building using the graphic function within Python. As you guys can see on the screen right now, I have a background. I've actually inserted that background. As for the building, I actually use a Python inbuilt graphic to design and mix the colors for the building. So what I will do next is take you guys into the programming area so that you see how I've managed to put together the program. Okay, let me show you the codes now. And right here, the first thing I did was to import as follows. I imported Pygame, I imported the system, then imported py.local. Now Pygame was then initialized, and right here are my colors. Here are the colors defined, and in here I have my trees. You can see I've actually used pygame.image.load, and I also load the background. I call that a BG image. That's the background that I used. I now declare for the images used variables 0, x equals 0, y equals 0 means the images will start right at the top left hand corner and fill up the screen. That's what I did for the sky. As for the trees, here are the declared variables BC, tree, GH, and so on. There's a lot of variables for that. Let's see, just a few screen. Those are the variables for the trees, which you guys can maybe find. More variables was declared for the colors, and there they are. Just color. I define some variable for my color, and that's the color right there. If you look inside my previous tutorial, you'll see how to mix these colors or where to get them from. But it's the RGB color, which start from 255 by 255 255, and you can just mix it your way, and that's it right there. The next line of code that you guys see right here, that is my screen resolution. That's my background color. I don't really need this because you guys won't be able to see anything anyway. That's the background color there anyway. And here the background image, which is the sky. That's what I've called it. And the next thing was using py.draw.rect. These are the infrastructure of the building, of the main building. And right below here are the windows. That makes it look like proper building. Those are the windows. You can see it's all rectangles as well, and right in there colors and their coordinate and width, and that is all there is to it. So you have a good look at the code and try to do something better. Okay, now here is where I've called or embed in all the trees. You can see them there. Okay, that's where I call all my trees into this system. You see that, guys? Those are my trees. And the last part of the code is just to exit the system. That's it right there. So I hope you all enjoy this, and please do subscribe. So before I exit the system, have a good look at the code again, section by section. And now let's go back to the artwork itself. That's the graphics. So guys, I'm just gonna call it a day for this very program. See you guys later.